Hey there, my name is Tom Beck. I'm with Alcons Audio. We're a Dutch manufacturer of professional sound systems. And we landed here in hot Las Vegas for InfoComm 2026. Happy to be back here in the desert. And we brought a couple of new products, we brought a couple of existing products to the show. One of them is the WR20. A stage monitor. A stage monitor is still used as a go-to solution for high power stage monitoring. In this case we brought a WR20. WR20 is a two-way design. It features 3 speakers, so 2 10-inch drivers, vented, connected to a 7-inch Pro Ribbon driver. And the interesting thing is the 7-inch Pro Ribbon driver has a 7-inch voice coil. So the power handling of that driver is enormous. It's way above 1500 watts peak power handling for more than 200 milliseconds. So a bit of a technical info. The dispersion pattern is 45 by 60 degree. So 45 horizontal, 60 degree vertical to have a really high powerful device. As again, it's a 7-inch Pro Ribbon driver. It's one of the larger drivers we have in our portfolio of Pro Ribbons that we manufacture. And again, connected to the double 10-inch drivers. The 10-inch driver features active coil technology. So there's one coil in the driver and a secondary fixed coil in the gap mounted. It takes away the inductance in a dynamic way. So that basically means you have ultra low distortion while maintaining the full natural low-mid performance. Usually people cut out the low-mid of floor monitors because of the intelligibility of the system. In this case you can leave all the low-mids in, unfiltered, because you still have the clarity and the detail of the Pro Ribbon system without the distortion in the low-mids. More information can be found on wr20.info or alconsaudio.com. Thank you very much.